How to make stem cells? The stem cells are made by reprogramming adult cells like skin or blood cells into a stem cell-like state using methods like genetic manipulation or specific chemical treatments. Now this process, which is called creating induced pluripotent stem cells or simply iPSCs, involves temporarily introducing genes or other factors to reset the cells to a more primitive state from which they can then be directed to become many different cell types. Step-by-step overview. Cell collection. So a sample of adult cells is collected. Skin cells are often preferred, but blood cells or other cell types can also be used. Reprogramming. The cells are placed in a controlled lab environment and exposed to reprogramming factors. Now this can involve introducing specific genes, such as using a DNA circle called an episomal vector and subsequently exposing them to shocks. So the cells absorb the vector and the genes from the vector are expressed in the cells without permanently altering its DNA. So when that happens, they are reset, which takes about a month. Cell growth. Now after the reset, that is about a month, the cells behave like pluripotent stem cells and are able to both renew, regenerate, and be trained to be any type of cell in the human body. This was all. Thanks for watching.